On this situation now, we're gonna break down two scenarios. The first one is the challenge. You're gonna ask and of course explain to the kid the objective of the drill, which is you start on the side control and you have transition to the mount position. So let's clarify which one is which. So you start first with no resistance. That's the basic position. Side control. On the right side, he's across my elbow. I call that 9 o'clock. Okay. Now, without fighting, I'm gonna allow him, even stretch my legs to get to the mount. And then here he is on the mount position. Now I'm gonna ask him to dismount to the other side. If he's on the left, across my elbow, he is on 3 o'clock. And then I'm gonna ask him again to demonstrate how to get back to the mount. And then he goes there. See, no resistance at this point in time. Okay, now we're gonna start the challenge. The first challenge is I'm gonna keep either one or both legs elevated. I'm gonna keep bumping and I'm gonna keep pushing. I'm gonna ask my partner on top to try to mount. Ready? Go. Make sure the bottom person puts the elbow really tight against the leg. So here he goes to mount on one side. I put my elbow and my knee really tight and I circle away, keep going. So all I'm trying to do, keep going, is try to fight. Switch to the other side, go to 3 o'clock. Look, I lift and I circle away. Circle away, that's the challenge. Keep your knee up, now circle to 9 o'clock. Circle to the other side. I knee up, my other leg, and I circle away and keep my elbow tight. So that's kind of how it goes. Start over again, let go. So let's go, time out. So this is the first part of the drill. So I like to teach the kids to be able to overcome the opposition from the start. So if you need to teach the solo drill, which will follow shortly after this, on the defensive aspect of sabotaging the mount, if you are at the bottom, we're gonna do that and then show finally how to overcome the challenge.